Belevambo.
No, sir.
Huh?
Mba.
Belevambo.
Yeah.
I do phone anala. Billion to get last. Okay, man, you know what I mean? Back up and you have quadrum. Therefore,
I'm 23 years.
Okay, man, you know what I mean? Back up and you have one in a doom.
Eh?
SMA. Okay, man, you know what I mean? Back up on social media in a doom.
Isn't it?
I got ta. Bring out your camera.
Hello, Bishop.
The Lerozana.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Bishop.
Huh?
How are you, sir? Thank God you bring me today. Every day. I know you go, but every day I come to you. You never bring me now. Today you bring me.
Okay, you know Bibo. The Lerozana.
Maybe I always come to you now.
You know Bibo.
No Bibo, I'm from Niger State.
You are from?
But I always come to your life. I'm from Niger State. We live in Niger State with my wife. Yeah, we live together with my wife there.
You are married? Are you married?
Yes. Melo.
Make I see your wife. Make I see your wife.
Maybe. Hello, Bishop.
Huh?
Maybe.
Make I see your wife.
You say what?
Let me see your wife now.
Bishop.
Let me see your wife.
Yes, I say I'm from Niger State.
I say, let me see your wife. Your wife.
Oh, my network is too bad, though. Hey. Kasa. Anza. La network dina biba.
Moderator. Onye ahụ sọ onye ebe. Mana mano koma ihe ọ na-ekwu ihe m nụrụ wụ na ọ lụọla na ọ ji nwaanyị. Ọkanomi. Moderator bugotegodo onye ahụ elu. Ọ the guy ọsọ onye ebe. T-bag, dalo. Everybody should follow that young man called T-bag. Follow Ebere Jeff. Follow them. Follow Ranking. Follow Prayer Mountain.
Hello, Daddy Bishop.
He said,
I say my network no good.
You want Igbo.
No, I not be Igbo.
You know be Igbo. How you come here waiting I talk?
Because you dey speak Igbo, I know you dey speak Igbo, but I know that I know they hear Igbo. But I
okay, how you can't know what? How you can't know waiting I dey talk as I dey do my program? What it come bring you?
Because they speak some English sometimes, and people they join your life. Even me, I they watch your life, I they learn something. But I know if I know they join your life, how can I consent request now MC?
No verse, eh? You don't marry.
With 4 children. I
Let
swear
us
to God. I swear to
Make I see
God.
your wife. Make I see your wife.
My movement.
No. Come. It's okay. Come. No.
Today, it's only sharp, babe. Big show.
It's okay.
Eh?
It's okay.
Okay, she they come.
It's okay.
Okay, sir. She they come.
It's okay.
Yes.
It's okay.
She said she dey
She
come.
married you like this?
She married me like
She married you like
she
this?
married me like Wallahi, she married me like this. The parents say you no go allow me marry me because of a day like this. She say she like me way. Make dem allow for marry me. She say he like me like this. They say I no get work oh. How you go come marry this person like this? Thank you. They say I no. He say okay, no problem. We now have 4 children.
Really?
Wallahi, yes. She dey come, you go see her.
So who is the man? Who be that man where they beside you?
It's my friend. Well, he also like me. Vision, sorry.
He's also like you.
Yes.
Yaya de.
Lafiya.
Yaya Aki.
Lafiya lau.
Yaya Kafa.
Da godiya.
Sanu.
Thank you, sir.
Mutumina. Wait. You know use magani hold your woman and marry you.
No.
No.
You know they do anything. You know they do.
I swear to
Ba
God.
magani nothing. They marry you.
No.
Wallahi, ba magani. She just like me. Thank you. Wallahi, tallahi. I swear to God. You go see her now.
Child.
Wallahi.
Where she say she did?
Eh?
Where she did?
Hey, she just dey come. She dey wash my cloth. That now she come.
So how you can't know about my program? Where make you come? You know how come? Because I know they speak English. I just they speak my dialect.
You say what?
How you can't know about my program? Where make you come around? I know they speak English now. So how you can't know?
Fatima. You say what?
How come you can't know my program? Where make you come around now? So what it can happen? Where make you come around as you know my program? How come? You say you know they speak Igbo now.
Okay, now I understand. How I can know your program? Network is too bad. Wait. Daddy Bishop, you say you're asking me how I know your program?
Yes, how come?
Network.
Hi. Can you hear me, Hakim?
Okay, I can hear you now, sir.
Hakim, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. I just can hear you now.
This, you know they hear Igbo. How you can't know about my program? Where make you enter? You can't come. How?
You know, sometimes if you're not going to my live, if you're not open my live stream, I always come to see how people that join your life, they are very, very happy. I see people that laugh. So, but true to God, I don't know, I don't hear Igbo. But I just be in your life, they watch you, how you are making people laugh, people that are, so I just they watch sometimes like
Hakim, I know they make people laugh. I know they make people Hakim. I know they make people laugh here.
Tabi.
What's her name? Your network.
Network is too bad though.
Michael, thank you so much. Michael, thank you. What's her name?
Okay, Bishop.
Ajia, how are you?
Fine.
Thank you.
Ajia, are you a Muslim or a Christian?
I'm a Muslim.
Hakim, are you a Muslim or a Christian?
I'm a Muslim.
Okay. The tribe you are on their platform are Igbos. I'm going to tell you that we Igbos, we love you and we are going to show you love, okay? Ajia, I want to ask you a question. What made you to marry Hakim? What made you to marry Hakim?
Network.
Kamera shinada.
Yere Fati. Oh, Kasa.
Maida shinada.
Oh, Nalila. Naswa. Network, yeah. Hello, sir.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. Hakim, tell Ajia to come close to you. I want to ask her a question.
Go, Toby. Okay, she can hear you now.
Ajia, what is your name?
Fatima.
Fatima, what made you to marry Hakim?
Yache mesa ya kika ureni. Speak outside. She said she can speak outside.
Oh yeah, speak outside. People will interpret for me.
Let
her speak outside. People will interpret for me.
Hausa zaki me.
Okay, she can hear you now. Our network is too. Yeah.
Now I say she can speak outside. Hakim, she can speak outside now, so that people will interpret for me. Then you will interpret for me what she's saying.
Okay, well.
Why did you marry him the way he is? Why did you marry him the way he is? Does he have money? Does he have money?
No.
Ya ce me yasa kika aure ni saboda inda na haka kuma kin yarda kin aure ni.
Saboda soyayya ne kawai.
You just love her like that, kawai. Eh?
Kasa.
You just love her like that.
Ngami teo. Wallahi inda da ne ya sauki.
Hakim, wait, you just love her like that.
Ya ce kina so na haka.
No money, no be because of money, nothing. How many children you don't born for him?
5.
5. 5 children.
Yes.
And na in Pekin, no be another man pregnant you, na in get her.
Yes.
You love him well. Hakim.
Yes, sir.
And you are a happy man. Hakim, call your account number. I want to bless you and your wife, okay? Call your account number. I will take your account number. I will send you something on my own. Then my people will bless you.
Yes.
See, listen. I know you are not here because of money. You just want to come and greet me. And I know you are not here because of money. Igbos, we are not here to say, because you are from this tribe, you are from this tribe. No. From my heart. So for the fact you came to my live stream, my platform, I want us to show her love and show him love. Anything at all from your mind, let's show him love. But Haki, me on my own, I'm going to bless you, okay? I'm going to bless you. I will send you something after my live stream.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Then call me your account number. Call your account number for me.
Okay, 24.
Rubuta shi a
Ba zai yiwu ba. Ina zuwa. 24
Okay?
00
Okay?
16 5251. Zenith.
Sunanka.
Abdul Malik Jia.
Eh?
Abdul Malik Jia.
Abdul.
Malik Jia.
Okay, 24001 65251.
Yes.
24001 65251, right?
Yes.
Okay, that your friend. Call him for me.
gaba da nawa.
Banda kan number haka.
Ɗaka dai naka.
Are you people using this? Are you people living together?
Ocho ga go dia. Ewe ga Daniel. Okay, ina jin ka.
Oya, make it so.
Nabi.
You na Muslim too?
Yes.
Okay, we Christians from Igbo, we want to still bless you too, okay? We want to give you something. We love you, okay? Sunanka.
Okay. Hamza.
Okay, Hamza. Akwai account ko?
Babu.
Bank account. Okay, no problem. Abdul, Hakim.
Yes.
Whatever I will send you, please, or anything you receive, I beg, show him love small. Since he don't have account, okay? Show him small love. Then teach him how to also open a little account for himself. So that at least when you are with him like this, when he goes to people's platform, he can still get some assistance. Okay. Hakim, you are very, very intelligent.
Thank you, sir.
I don't know you are like this, so honestly, it's God. Okay, can you dance for me?
Yes, full dance. I will dance for you.
Are you sure?
I will dance.
Are you Ajia, will you dance with him?
I'm very sure. Hello, Fatty.
Okay.
Yes, I will dance.
Okay, I'm putting music for you now.
Okay.